Hey guys, this is Amit from Tech Tutorial, and today I am gonna unbox one of the most awaited and powerful Android device of 2020, OnePlus 8. So let's unbox this and have a quick look on the device. Guys, if you look at the box, it's really beautiful and gives a premium looks too. And guys, in the back side of this box, here you can see clearly mentioned two highlighted feature. One is the Qualcomm Snapdragon processor and the Dolby Atmos, here you can see. And I have the 128GB variant, which is in Glacial green color. And here you can see it is clearly mentioned made in India, and here you can see the price, which is 44,999, and I purchased this from the Amazon. So let's quickly unbox the device and have a look on the device. And just top of the box, here you can see the device, and let's keep this device aside and let's see what are the other accessories we get in this box. And here you can see inside this box here is another box, and if you open this box, here you can see lots of paper guides are there. And in this card, here you can see the highest SAR values mentioned, quick start guide, and here are some stickers which you can clearly put on the back of your device or any other else. This is a smart style of advertising though. And let's see what else we are getting on the box. So here is a transparent back cover is given, and here is the USB type C cable, which is red in color, looking really premium. And here is the 30-watt charger, which is called as WAP charger, and by this adapter approximately in 20 minutes you can charge your phone up to 50%. So this is pretty much everything which you get apart from the main device in the box. So now let's quickly jump into our main device and have a look on the device. So here is the main device, and if we peel this wrap, and here's the real beauty comes up when you will have this device on your hand. And it doesn't feel like a flagship device because its weight is way too much less than other flagship devices. Now guys, if we talk about some features of this device is having LPDDR4 RAM, which is 8GB RAM, and storage is UFS 3.0 and Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, dual band GPS, and of course it is an future-proof 5G device. But this device is not having the 3.5mm jack as the typical OnePlus devices. And this is a really smart and premium looking smartphone, and it is a 3D curved glass designed, and both sides of this glass is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. And if you have a physical overview of this device, on the right side you will get the power unlock button, you will get the power slider, and by this switch you can directly switch between silent, vibrate, and normal modes. And in the bottom side of the device you will get the speaker and the C type port and the SIM tray, which supports 2 SIM cards, and no micro SD card is supported on this device. And on the left side of this device you will get the volume up and down key, and on the top of the device you can see the secondary mic hole of the device. Now talking about its performance, which is the main feature of OnePlus, that is it comes with the Snapdragon 865 chipset, which is 2.8 GHz based on Cryo 585 7nm design along with the Adreno 650 GPU. Now talking about its camera, its rear camera is 48 megapixel, which comes with the aperture of f1.75 and along with the IMX 586 sensor. Night mode, portrait, beauty, slow motion, everything is given on the camera. And you will also get an 16 megapixel of ultra wide lens, which comes with an 116-degree field of view, and another is 2 megapixel macro along with the dual LED flash. Now guys, let's see some photo samples taken from its rear camera. Now guys, let's have a taste of audio and video quality of this device. So guys, that's it for today on this OnePlus 8. Hope we will come up with some more topics on this device, so stay tuned with our channel. And guys, hope to see you in our next video. Till then, thank you for watching and have a great day.